Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Meeting with Mr. President, almost 2 hours.
Yeah.
Can we know about this emergency?
Yeah, thank you very much. The meeting actually is just for us to review the events. We came in here for the services to brief Mr. President on the current situation on ground. You know that there have been a series of attacks, and the security forces have actually rose to the occasion. We came here to brief him for him to have a better understanding of what's going on. We know sometimes the interpretation, especially through the media, has not been too direct. We feel we should put the record straight, which we have done, and we're glad that Mr. President has continued to support the armed forces and other security agencies in the fight against insurgency. And our appeal to Nigerians is not to get tired, not to be discouraged, because sometimes when you hear those news, you think it is just what is happening, but it is not. It's far from that. The terrorists, the bandits are taking more casualties. Their commanders are being killed. We have lost a number of very, very courageous officers and men. Highly regrettable, but we want to assure Nigerians is the commitment we are putting on ground to ensure that Nigeria is safe and secured. New things, the President has promised more equipment for us to be able to protect the war, and we are sure of victory.
Thank you, sir. You just interestingly, you said that Nigerians should not lose hope. About the case of insecurity these days is looking like the more you look, the less you see. A lot of cases of insecurity still happening despite the efforts you're putting in. Where do you think the gap lies?
Well, like I said, it's war, and you know war comes in and out, and because again it's normal it's usual with the terrorists during the Ramadan period. For them, they feel when they die they are going to heaven, so they are ready to commit any offense or to get killed because they feel they have reward to do. But like I said, we have adjusted our strategies. You can see in the past few days we've taken over those locations, we've killed their commanders, we've taken over their assets. We'll continue to do more. And I assure you, Mr. President has approved so many things that are coming on our line, and we're working together as a team. You can see all members of the security forces are here to assure Nigerians and to assure Mr. President that we're on track and will succeed.